is Tim Colling coming at you again from Senior Leads Boost with a weekly Tips Tuesday video for you. Today's tip is going to be about legal disclosure pages for your website. You can think of those primarily as being your privacy policy page, your terms of service page, and your disclaimer page. If you're selling products, there may also be other disclosure pages you need as well. Now, I'm going to preface all this by saying I am not a lawyer. I've never been a lawyer. And so what I will be telling you is based upon what I know as a layman and also based upon information provided by the company that I rely upon to provide meaningful, up-to-date, and extremely expertly written legal disclosure pages. And that company is called Termageddon. And I'll tell you more about them shortly. Anyway, let me get going here. So this is our homepage for our brand Senior Leads Boost. And if you go to that page, you'll see at the bottom of the page a number of sort of footnotes. And these two refer to our privacy policy and our terms of service pages. And if you click, they take you to these pages on our parent company website, which is ElderCell. Now, this is our privacy policy, and you can see that it mentions, first of all, that it was last updated just a short time ago, December 17th. Today is December 27th, so just 10 days ago it was updated. This is our terms of service page. It was updated a little bit longer ago, on November 3rd, but it's also very up to date. So what's the point? Well, the point is that when you are talking about these pages, both are important. The privacy policy needs to protect you from claims or actions by governmental agencies or third parties saying that you failed to adhere to the myriad of privacy laws that apply now in the United States and perhaps elsewhere, depending on how you do business. Now, as you can tell, this goes into great detail about the information that we collect and how we use it and many other things. This is important because of the laws that apply to us. We live in and operate in California, and so we are subject to some very stringent privacy laws here. We are, by using the service called Termageddon, we are able to be confident that our privacy policy language is up to date and current. The terms of service I won't spend as much time on, but this is important also. For instance, it needs to specify damages and limitations of liability, and also it needs to say what law governs. We're in California, so if we were to be sued or if we wanted to bring suit, we would want it to be within jurisdiction that's convenient to us. So those are things that are important too. But I'm going to focus really on the privacy policy here. So the service that we use for this is, number one, expertly written and updated as often as needed by changes in the law. And number two, it's very affordable too. I'm going to show you the company that we use for this. So this is the company that we use for this purpose. Now, why do we care? Well, number one, these automatically update on your website whenever the laws are updated or changed or added or removed. Now, how does that happen? Well, it happens because they publish a new version of your privacy policy every time there's a change in the law that would affect it. And that change is automatically reflected the next time anyone goes to your privacy policy page. It's remarkable. It's nice technology. What's even more remarkable is the fact that this is extremely well written. The president of this company is Donata Skilrud, and she's the chair of the Privacy Committee of the American Bar Association. She's like the guru on e-privacy. And so the fact that she's the author behind this is just amazing. And also, what's also amazing is that this is unbelievably affordable. They charge, let's see, they charge, I think it's $99 a year. Yep. For this to be used on your website and to be updated automatically for you all year long. That's insanely affordable, considering the expertise that it requires to write this. I don't have any idea what hourly rate somebody like Donato would charge, but it's got to be hefty. It has to be installed, but it's not very difficult to install. You can try doing it yourself, or you can have a company like us do it. We do this for almost all of our clients, and they pay us a small fee to install it, and then they pay an annual subscription renewal for this service. So it's sort of a no-brainer. Now, why would you use this instead of some other solution? Well, there are other solutions out there that are supposedly written by lawyers or designed by lawyers, and I've looked at some of those over the years, and Termageddon has been by far the one that I was most impressed with, and also the one that was easiest to administer on my part, and also one of the most affordable. What I recommend strongly that you do is look carefully at your privacy policy and see who wrote it, and also when it was last updated. It's possible that it's up to date and well written, but it's also possible that it was just slapped together by whoever built your website, who is probably not a lawyer, and they may have just taken whatever they could get for free, either as part of WordPress or from some third-party site. This is something that you don't want to mess with. You definitely want to get this right. There are significant penalties and issues having to do with privacy policy violations. Well, I hope that helps. We would love to help you with this, but either way, you can go to Termageddon and sign up for it yourself and try to install it, or you can come to us. We charge a very reasonable one-time fee for installing it. And with that, I thank you. Reach out to us with any questions you have, or you can contact Termageddon. We would welcome your inquiries. And there's contact info at the end of this video. Thanks a lot. Have a great week.